Hi Tony, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. My partner Natalie said that she was speaking to you on Facebook and you were interested in receiving one of these videos. So I wanted to talk about three things, which are backlinks, content, and citations. So in regards to backlinks, we can come over here to Google and I've searched Carpet Cleaner Savannah GA. So the first thing we see here is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So one of the main ways that you get up in these top positions for the organic section is through backlinking, and all a backlink is just one website linking to another website. So we'll go ahead and plug in Treat Your Feet and see what they have going on. So we see they have 25 referring domains or other websites, giving them 112 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see that you don't have any data. Don't be alarmed. That's totally normal for people who have never done any type of SEO. So definitely something you can fix. And then also coming back here, I went ahead and searched for pressure washing as well. Pulled this guy. So Mike's pressure washing is the #1 guy. We see he has 8 referring domains, giving him 27 links. So what would need to happen in your case is need to pretty much get about 200 links pointing back to your site, because you don't want to just meet them, you want to pass them up. And one way you could do that would be to go through all of their links to see which ones you can get. But looking at their metrics here, we see that their links are not very good. This represents the power and the trust of a site. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 16 and 16 would be a lot better than 0.3. So I personally wouldn't go grab these. I would go get something better. But I wanted to show you some keywords to give you an idea of the search volume going on. So we have here Carpet Cleaning Savannah GA. That's searched about 150 times a month. Carpet Cleaning Savannah, that's searched about 150 times. Then we start to get some smaller ones here for 60, 40, 60. So you can see there's probably, 400 to 500 searches going on every month for people looking for carpet cleaners. So you definitely want to get found for these keywords. So getting them into your site and then also getting those backlinks going would really help. And then taking a look here at the pressure washing keywords. We have Pressure Washing Savannah GA, it's about 80 times a month. Pressure Washing Savannah, 60. We got one for Pooler for 20. Another one for 30. Here's one for Richmond Hill. Yeah, so there's a good little handful of pressure washing as well. And, I didn't look into all the other services you offer. I was just really going with these two just to show you a basic idea of the search volume. But coming back to your site, so in regards to content, I'm referring to all of the words on your website. We see here that you do have a pretty decent amount of content on this homepage, so that's really good. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich, authoritative content on that homepage, and then of course lots of content on your back pages. So kind of see what's going on this back page. So, you have some. I would probably put about 750 words on this back page, but really what I'm recommending is that you get your service pages built out. So for, carpet cleaning, for wood cleaning, for tile and grout, and just build out individual service pages so that way you can rank for individual keywords, and you can also get more content on your site, because the more you have, the better. Content is king in Google's eyes. So coming back here to Google, so citations come to play here in the map pack, and all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So if you have a Google My Business listing, you want to get it fully optimized, get a good description on there, get photos on there, be collecting 5-star reviews, and then you want to go out and get citations. We recommend about 350 because typically we don't see any more than 50 to 75 per business. So if you did 350, you could just beat the competition out by a landslide, and it would really help you rank in the top 3 positions. So just to give you a recap, you want to get the right type of links pointing back at your website. In your case, it's going to be a couple hundred. You want to make sure they're trustworthy links and relevant to your industry. So links from other carpet cleaners or pressure washing sites would be a lot more effective than a link from, the automotive industry or the beauty industry. So relevant, trustworthy links are what we're going for. You want to get lots and lots of content added to your site. I'd say about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. Keyword-rich, authoritative content. Get a service page built out with a drop-down menu that has all your services offered. Get about 750 words on those back pages, of course, with the relevant keywords. And then you want to get the Google My Business listing fully optimized and get 350 citations, so that way you can rank in the top 3 positions. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great evening.